Meditation and masturbation. Can a person who meditates get involved with masturbation? And the answer is certainly yes. Because meditation has nothing to do with you renouncing the world or giving up things or controlling your desires or feelings. It's all about understanding how your mind works and understanding your feelings so you can control them, but not eliminate them. But people with high levels of sex hormones who get sexually aroused very quickly and who don't have a life partner, or if they're away from their life partner or their sex partner, they need to find a way to let out or express that sexual energy. Therefore, masturbation is one technique which can be used to express that sexual feeling. But you have to remember, masturbation should be done with proper understanding, and you can have actually a meditative experience while you're masturbating. That is, you can experience orgasm as a state of meditation or as a state of experience, a fixed state of awareness. That orgasm can be expanded, that orgasm can be contracted. You can fill your body with orgasm, your mind, your emotions. You can become that orgasm. So, let us look at a simple practice on how to meditate an orgasm through the process of masturbation. You can either be a male or female, it does not matter. Both people do practice masturbation. If you're a male, you're stimulating your penis to get erections, and you hold your penis and you start a friction movement up and front, up and forth, where your imagination, this is where you need to focus. Now, if a normal person just pulling up his pants and masturbating, he will just have some wild, just crazy thoughts running. I mean, no control of those thoughts. But we are meditating in a state of masturbation. That is, while you are stimulating your sex organ, you visualize in a proper posture. You visualize with the proper breathing, and you focus on the sex object, that is imagination. In this case, if you're a male, you'll be visualizing a female. If you're a female, you'll be visualizing a male. Some people only visualize the physical body, and with that stimulation they masturbate. Some people visualize the entire process of them get involved in the act of having sex. Most people do that. Or some people remember a movie scene or remember a situation. They visualize that and they masturbate. So it doesn't matter, but allow that visualization to be made with a mindful effort. So when you're doing that visualization with a mindful effort, you can observe the sexual intensity when it rises. You can feel it, you can enjoy the orgasmic state much better. Or you can get fully absorbed in that state, and yourself can act as the observer of that experience orgasm while you're experiencing it. You cannot experience through words. Using words to explain this is difficult because the experience of orgasm is a heightened very heightened and a fully satisfying experience for every human being. So orgasm is the mother of all creation, I would say, because without that urge to experience the state of orgasm, there won't be life on Earth. Basically, the human population, or even most of the animals, the sex drive makes them survive, makes them reproduce, make them sustain. So orgasm needs to be looked at as a divine state or a high state of human experience, not as some vulgar taboo state. We remove that notion. So, in order to meditate on orgasm, you have to arouse your genitals, your sex organs, and come to that experience. And if you're really good with practice, without stimulating your sex organ, you can be in the state of orgasm once you practice. Once you practice and with time. So what this does is, it makes you better when you're having the real sex with a life partner, because your ability to understand the sexual experience gives you the skill or trains your brain or your mind to enjoy the state of sexual intensity when you're actually with a life partner. And that person also will feel it and he'll also enjoy it more, he or she. So, both couples will have a fulfilling sexual experience. So that is very important, because a human being, how much ever money he makes, whatever he studies, whatever social status, he always, or he or she always, gives a special place to experience sexual orgasm. Because without that, you missed the real goal, or let's say the real apple, the fruit, the juice, the taste of life. So you can easily say that orgasm is that real taste of life. So, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more informative discussions and talks of various aspects of life. Thank you.